So, what I thought we might talk about today is two very simple ways to charge an amulet or a piece of jewelry to turn into an amulet. And while the ways are different, they're also kind of similar. So, the first way is actually a way that we wrote about in this book, which is Amulets, Charms, and Talismans in the Hoodoo and Conjure tradition, which I wrote with Catherine Ironwood. And we mentioned this one in there, where you take something that you want to turn into a magical amulet. And what you do is you actually place it on a table or a counter or something. And you take a plate or a saucer or something, and you place it over top of it. And from there, you will actually burn a single candle on the top of that plate, which is now the bottom turned over, every day for 7 days. And what you do is you pray each day while you're lighting the candle. At the end of the seventh day, you can remove the plate, and then you take the charm, and for the rest of the day, you do something where you wear it against your skin, whether it is on a necklace, or you may strap it to your ankle. Some people put it in their underwear. It's whatever. It has to be against your skin. And then sleep with it for the next 3 nights, and that has activated whatever charm or jewelry that you've chosen to be now a protective amulet, especially if your prayers actually were geared towards that and focused on that. Now, another way is more of a Wiccan tradition. It's another way to charge an amulet. Is what you would do is take the amulet and put it in the center of a table. This time we're not going to put a plate over it, but we're going to put 4 different things around it that would signify earth, air, fire, and water. So, something you may use for earth, you can actually go out and just get a handful of dirt, earth, put it in some sort of small bowl or vessel, and use that as your sign for earth. Water, you can use water. Maybe you want to use some sort of special water, like moon water you've collected, or solar water you've collected. Something from we have some from a solar eclipse. So that's very powerful. Try not to use tap water. If you don't have access to anything else like a stream, at least use like spring water or something like that. So there we have earth and water, air. Incense is often used because it drifts through the air. And then, of course, fire may be a candle that you light. So you would do that for at least 3 nights in a row. Of course, the earth element, the water element would sort of stay there, but you would need to light another stick of incense, light another candle. And at the end of the 3 days, all of a sudden, you have created a magical amulet or a charged charm. So that is just 2 different ways that you can actually take different objects and turn them into magically charged amulets. This is G with Aroma G's Botanica, and I hope that was helpful. So go out there and charge something today. Carry it with you. We could all use a little bit of extra protection now and then. Till next time, bye bye.